Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be just unboxing my Apple Pencil as I mentioned earlier in the last video. A special thanks to those who watched the last video and listened to all my nonsense and creep and came back to watch this video. Thank you guys. I was just really excited that day to open the Apple Pencil, and I just came from college and directly started shooting the video. Couldn't wait because I was waiting from the past 4 days that time, because Apple Pencil took a long while coming. That had an engraving on it, so I was really excited when I saw the Apple Pencil, and I'm just getting it out of the box. The packaging was really nice. We'll just take it out of this nice little packaging, and we'll see how it comes out and how my name is looking on it. Is it coming out nicely, or it's okay? We'll just figure it out soon. And I'm voiceovering this video as well, because while shooting I just ruined what I said. So I just failed while unboxing it. I failed pretty badly. At first, when I was removing this paper, I couldn't do it in the first go, and then now I'll struggle to open the box because I had no idea where to open it and how to open it. I don't know, my brain was like blank at the time, and then finally I got it. I was shaking the box and I was like, oh, that's not how it opens. There is something we have to pull out the case from it. Here we have got the Apple Pencil manual, and it's just a waste of time, guys. I'll just skip this part. So this is the Apple Pencil. It has a clear wrap on it separately. Let's just remove it and see what we have got. As my excitement was getting higher and higher to see my name on the Apple Pencil. So here it is, finally, and I was really happy to see that it was like exactly the same as they shown on the website. So yeah, that's good. And now I will just connect my Apple Pencil to the iPad and just do a little short setup of the Apple Pencil and try it out. We'll do some calligraphy, and yeah, that's pretty much. The experience is great. I have been using the Apple Pencil for now like more than 2 weeks, and I'm taking continuous notes on it, and it's pretty good. I feel like getting an iPad for a student is worth it. For a college student, doesn't matter if the student's from any field, medical or non-medical. Medical or engineering or anyone. I'm an engineering student, and I was just trying out the double tap feature near here, and nothing much too exciting. It's just normal, kind of boring as well, I would say. If you're watching till now, thank you so much. And I will just try some calligraphy and ruin your time. If you don't skip it. I'll just do some weird things, trying the Apple Pencil and with the brush pen, trying my hardest to get the calligraphy right, but I'll fail pretty badly. This is the monoline brush, and yeah, that's good. Nothing much. I would say that in the coming videos I'll be doing some good stuff, good note-taking things. I will try making videos on calligraphy. Will share my learning steps, that how I improved from scratch to good. I hope I get to that level while making videos. I'll be continuous and consistent on my channel from now, and I hope I will be able to uh, teach something to you all, whoever follow me, and I appreciate the people who watch my videos. I really get the motivation when I see people, even if it's like 4 people watching it. I'm like, if their views are coming at their own, even that 4 people mean to me a lot. I'll encourage you guys to share this video to your friends or family or anyone you know who is interested in calligraphy or learning or improving their handwriting. It's not just up to digital calligraphy. My channel, I also upload videos on paper calligraphy, doing it with pens, and yeah, so I would really appreciate you guys if you share my upcoming videos. I'm not saying this one, or my previous videos which I've already uploaded, to people, and help me reach to those who are willing to learn. And I can promise that I will teach, and they will be learning something which they will never regret. So that's all from my side. The rest of the video is just for my calligraphies, nothing much. Thank you so much for watching, and I would really appreciate if you like it and give me comments on if you enjoyed watching it. And you can give me suggestions for future videos if you want something specific from my side related to this topic. I can surely make something on it, and that will help me to make something which my audience wants from me. So I'm not making something on my own which you guys don't want to watch. So something meaningful, thank you so much. Have a great day, or have a great evening, have a great night, whatever time you're watching this video. I appreciate you watching, and yeah, take care. See you in the next video.